So after I've cleaned and washed my sorrel, I put up a pot on high heat, 2 cups of water. I add my sorrel, and to that I'm gonna add a piece of fresh orange peel, 1 bay leaf, 1 stick of cinnamon, 1 piece of ginger, about 1 inch to 2 inches, and 5 cloves. So just want to make sure it's in the water, and once this comes to a boil, we're going to boil it for about 5 minutes. Take it off and let it cool. Okay, so this is after 5 minutes. This will be the color for liquid. So I'm just going to take the fire off. So once we've boiled our sorrel or roselle with all the spices, we're just going to strain it off into a bowl. Please don't throw away this liquid gold. You can use it to make sorrel drink, juice, tea, jellies and jams. So I'm just going to set this aside now, the pulp. Alright guys, so into mortar and pestle I'm adding 2 leaves of shadow beni, 2 cloves of garlic, dry this rough chopped, and your hot pepper. This is a scorpion. Okay, just gonna add a little bit of salt to that and crush. I'm gonna set this aside into a pan. Put about a tablespoon of oil. To that I'm gonna add my mustard seed. You can add jeera to this if you'd like. We're cooking this on low. And then I'm quickly going to add my sorrel. The pulp that we boiled. Okay, so you don't want that garlic to go into that in. So remember to remove like your ginger pieces, your clove, your cinnamon stick, and all of those spices that you would have added to the water while it was boiling. Okay? Because I don't think you want to bite into a piece of clove. I'm just going to taste the salt. I'm just adding about a tablespoon of sugar. So I'm cooking this on very low heat, the lowest heat you have possible. You just want to steam it. Because if it's too high, it's going to burn, it's going to fry. We just want to mix everything together nicely. Just a few minutes. Taste. It's a little bitter, so I'm going to add another tablespoon of sugar, white sugar. Always taste. Maybe one more. You guys can check out my sorrel jelly recipe as well as my sorrel drink. So I've added 4 tablespoons of sugar in all. Okay. Just give it a good stir, taste, and that should be it. Doesn't that look delicious? So now you could enjoy this with some nice hot pastel or ham or turkey. Well, that's it for now guys. Until the next time, please feel free to check out my other videos. Many more sorrel recipes. I have a sorrel jelly, a sorrel drink, and hopefully very soon I can do a sorrel wine as well as sorrel jam. So until next time, take care. Bye.